1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, 4-window, 4-door hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty in Classics. 429 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the side-by-side headlights on each side. Chrome headlights, surrounds, grille. This was originally an Aspen white car, paint code number 12. An interior blue paint or interior trim or trim code 42. Also nicely equipped, came from the factory with power steering, power brakes, was also a factory AC car. Power windows, power seat. Riding on the white wall, I should say wide white wall, radials. Cadillac wheel covers. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the interior, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I'm going to point out a few extra things that will go with this too when we get to the rear of the car. Of course, the 4-door hardtop. No post in here, so not a sedan. Cloth vinyl, interior combination. We'll get around to the driver's side too. Start it up, let you hear it run. Be a fun cruiser for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. As you can see, fender skirts installed. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, some of the things that will go with this. Looks like we have a wiring schematic, wiring diagram. There's some roof rail seal right there. It's got a fan clutch, some radiator hoses, battery cable, fuel filters, just glancing. You can take your time looking through the still pictures. Will be in the still pictures. It's like the original radio, float, fuel system. So those will also be included with it. Be able to see those in the still pictures if you want to take your time looking through them. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear. There are a few little dingers in the bumper. But again, shows, well, all those fun cars. Stake out cruising, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Gotta love how the wing was downsized. You think of back into the late 50s, 59. Wing got a little smaller, designs changed. Nonetheless, cool looking classic Cadillac. As you can see, the power windows do work. I've had those up and down. So look up and down the driver's side. And the interior, I've not had the radio fire up. It's got kind of a retro sound radio. I've not had that fired up. And power seat motor works, but as far as the movement of the seat, not so much. Again, like I said before, have had the windows up and down. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now, when they put in a little different dash cluster, I'm guessing because of the speedo. If you look at it, I'm guessing that's possibly a Buick because you have reverse down here, neutral and park up here. No, it's a turbo hydromatic 400. So first click down is reverse, then neutral, then drive. Just so you know. So it's set up like a normal modern transmission. Park to reverse to neutral to drive. How's the dash look? Dash looks good. Headliner intact, looks good. Couple 6x9s in the rear deck. Take a peek at the seat, and you'll be able to see the seats, interior, trunk from every angle in the still pictures. Door closes, fits nicely. Let you take a listen. Again, 429 cubic inch V8. Sounds good. And of course, on this one, the hood release is going to be right back behind this midsection right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open. So let me pause it a second. We'll be back. Let's check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood. And here it is. So factory, power steering, power brakes. Is a factory AC car. Looks like the compressor has been replaced along the line here. It's also been converted from the R12 to 134A. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, really lack of corrosion. Inner wheel wells. There's a battery disconnect for in between drives, or maybe while it's in storage. Yeah, engine bay looks good, nice and clean, tidy. Then remember, stick around to the end of the video. We'll do a little driving video with this and take it down the road, so you kind of do a virtual ride along, see what this car goes down the road like. 1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille 4-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1964 Cadillac DeVille. Very nice looking car. Classic styling. This is a 4-door. Our turn signal indicators are working. This is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. I did notice the actual shifting is park, reverse, neutral, drive, and the indicator on the dash shows park, neutral, drive, low, reverse. So it shifts a little bit more like a modern car, I would say. Speedometer working well. Fuel gauge is showing just about empty. The temperature gauge is just under half. We have a custom cup holder down below with a little storage area. Original looking bench seats with full down armrest. Very nice, very comfortable. This car drives really nice. If I am cruising down the road and I let go of the wheel, this car stays right in the middle. Right in the middle of the lane like it should. Factory horn working well. The epitome of luxury in Cadillac. In the 60s, some of the biggest, most comfortable riding cars. The best road tripping cars. Late 50s through the 60s. This car corners well. It corners as a 64 Cadillac should. Kick down on that automatic transmission is working. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. It's not powering up for me. Headliner looks great. This car is in really nice shape and drives awesome. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cadillac at UniqueClassicCars.com.